Welcome to Optimum Finance. We share videos about financial freedom and ways to make money. Isn't it cool to know what the habits of billionaires are? It's time to train to develop the right morning habits that will fuel your productivity and make your day solid. In this post, we are giving you the top 5 morning practices that most productive people adopt. Habit 1. Plan your day. Planning the day would be a very successful morning routine. This may be as easy as writing down the most essential tasks to be completed for the day. Conversely, if you have a concrete idea and you realize what you intend to do, then you'll be concentrating your time and moving about the day on a specific path. Habit 2. Practice visualization and affirmation. One important morning routine you may follow is the process of imagination and encouragement. All you should do is imagine the performance you desire or the perfect life you want every morning when you wake up. Spend between 5 to 10 minutes for visualization and use another 5 minutes for affirmation. Affirmation is much like a pep talk used by most elite players in the training. Take soccer for example, where you'll find the participants come together in a circle shouting to improve their morale and mood. Affirmation provides the same impact when you do it on yourself. Oprah Winfrey, for example, once addressed the development of her vision boards to make her visions come true on her talk show. Habit 3. Practice gratitude. The true strength of experiencing gratitude and showing love arises as you center your attention and emotions on what works in your life. Most specifically, you prepare your mind to reflect on what to be thankful for. When you're going through a difficult day and things don't turn out in your life, most people would feel dejected, depressed, and dwell on the bad stuff. It would make them oblivious to the possibilities that happen around them all the time. All you should do is note down the stuff you're thankful for. From your pet, your house, your mobile phone, your family, to your work, and your life. Show your gratitude and write it down. Research has found that individuals who are consistently thankful for everything they have in their life will have more optimistic feelings. Habit 4. Exercise. Everybody knows that exercising is necessary, but not everyone does it. It is particularly true of the people who live in the city. When you read those books such as What the Most Successful People Do Before Breakfast, the author Laura Vanderkam suggests that most talented entrepreneurs invest their time in exercise. Successful individuals including Michelle Obama, Richard Branson, Gary Vaynerchuk, Ursula Burns, Kevin O'Leary, etc. have opted to get up early and work out. Some are going to work out in the gym, while some are going to jog. Like Richard Branson, he's going to play tennis or enjoy the beach. As exercise helps us to preserve our well-being and make sure we are safe all the time. Yet, productive individuals tend to want to work out in the morning, as they want to brace themselves for their day, both psychologically and physically. Evidence has found that exercise will alleviate tension, maintain your metabolism, oxygenate the blood, and make you happier. Habit 5. Meditate. Everybody recognizes that meditation has a lot of benefits. But only a few actively practice meditation. Do you know that Arnold Schwarzenegger, Oprah Winfrey, Arianna Huffington, Anthony Robbins, and leading entrepreneurs in the world practice meditation every day? As you meditate, you begin to calm down your busy mind and go to a state of calmness. It will enhance your imagination, increasing your focus, and you're less prone to be upset by certain issues, while you're concentrating on completing your job in the daytime. Meditation helps you to be more readily open to your flow condition, from which you are concentrated and adaptable to shift. Research has also shown that daily meditation can alleviate tension and encourage more optimistic moods. Just sit in a quiet area and concentrate your thoughts on your breathing. There are the top 5 morning habits of billionaires. Which one did you like? The Optimum Finance team wishes you good luck, and if you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe.